ISC Transformation of Sentences, Classes 11 and 12, English Paper 1. In each of the following items, sentence A is complete, sentence B is not. Complete sentence B, making it as similar to sentence A. Write sentence B in each case. Do not copy the question, directly write the answer. Sentence B. Let us now solve these questions. There are 20 questions. Let us solve them one by one. He always obeys his teacher. Begin the teacher ... Whenever you get a question, always try to find out the chapter from which this question has been set and then apply the rules accordingly. He always obeys his teacher. This is from the topic active and passive voice. Revise the rules of active and passive voice. It is very, very important, this chapter. And then look for the tense and the number of the subject. Obeys, simple present tense, and teacher, the teacher is in singular number. Let us try to solve it. The teacher is always obeyed by him. The subject, the teacher, and by whom? By him. The teacher is always obeyed by him. Full stop. Punctuation marks. Punctuate properly. Next. He finished his work and went home. Having. Begin having. Having finished his work, comma, he went home. Using a participle. Having finished his work, comma. Comma is very, very important. If you do not put the comma here, you will not get any marks. Having finished his work, comma, he went home, full stop. Question 3. Some boys of the class are cleverer than Ravi. Cleverer. Degree of comparison of adjectives. Cleverer, comparative degree, and begin Ravi is. Some boys of the class are cleverer than Ravi. Now try to find the meaning. That means Ravi is not the cleverest boy of the class. This is my first probable answer. Ravi is not the cleverest, superlative degree, of the boy of the class. And Ravi is not as clever as some boys of the class. As clever as or so clever as some boys of the class. Positive degree. Clever, cleverer, and cleverest. A revision of everything that you have been learning all this while. Question 4. The men were forced to work, although the light was poor, in spite of. Whenever you have in spite, always add of after in spite. And if you have despite, no need to add of after despite. So it's in spite of and just despite. In spite of the poor light, comma, the men were forced to work. They did not stop working. They were compelled to continue working. In spite of the poor light, comma, the men were forced to work. Full stop. Question 5. No sooner ... than. Question. And how will you remove no sooner than? By beginning the sentence with as soon as. Let us read the question. No sooner did we see a flash of light in the sky than we heard a loud explosion near us. Past tense. See. Did we see? As soon as we saw a flash of light in the sky, comma, we heard a loud explosion near us. This is your correct answer. Direct and indirect speech rules. Very important. Narration rules. Revise them properly. You will have to make all changes in order to get the marks. Father said to Rahul, a courier came for you yesterday. Father told Rahul. Father told Rahul that a courier had come. Came becomes had come. Past tense becomes past perfect. Father told Rahul that a courier had come for him. You becomes him. Him refers to Rahul. Rahul is a boy. Yesterday becomes the previous day or the day before. What is the complete correct sentence? Father told Rahul that a courier had come for him the previous day or the day before. You will have to make all the changes. Otherwise, the answer is going to be incorrect. Very difficult, very tricky, therefore revise direct and indirect rules properly from now itself. 7. Many people died in Kolkata on account of dengue fever. Begin dengue fever. Dengue fever caused the death. On account of becomes caused the death of many people in Kolkata. Make necessary changes. Dengue fever caused the death of many people in Kolkata. Full stop. 8. I met my childhood friend by chance at the railway station last week. I ran. Phrasal verb. Met by chance. What is the phrasal verb for this? I ran into my childhood friend at the railway station last week. So you will omit met by chance and you will write ran into in that place. Question 9. The roof is too high for me to reach. Remove to. Use so ... that. Remove to and use so that. And the question is in present tense. Is too high. The roof is so high that I cannot reach it. For me becomes I and you will have to add it after reach. It refers to the roof. The roof is so high that I cannot reach it. Since the question is in present tense, I will use cannot. Keep this in mind. Transformation of sentences, rules. Question 10. Candidates may not bring textbooks into the examination hall. Candidates are. What will you write? May not bring. Candidates are forbidden from bringing textbooks into the examination hall. Do not omit anything unnecessarily and do not add anything unnecessarily. Change according to the needs of the question. I will buy the horse if it is quite sound. So, unless the horse is quite sound, comma, I will not buy it. Unless and not. Keep the meaning intact. Do not change the meaning. Question 12. They said they had broken the vase. They accused. They said that he had broken the vase. So, the right answer, they accused him of breaking the vase. 13. If you want to earn well, you must work hard. Begin to earn. To earn well, you must work hard. To earn well, you must work hard is the right answer. Next, 14. The stray dog is being chased by the boys. Again, passive voice. You will have to write the sentence in active voice. The boys are chasing the stray dog. Present continuous tense. Are chasing is being chased. Since the boys is in plural number, I have used are being chased. I hope you are understanding what I am trying to say. We should have sympathy for the less fortunate. Parts of speech. We should sympathize. And what is the preposition after sympathize? With. We should sympathize with the less fortunate. Less fortunate. People who are helpless, poor and needy. He understood the problem but refused to solve it. Although this is easy. Although he understood the problem, comma, he refused to solve it. Full stop. Comma and full stop. Compulsory. 17. Bob is an outstanding sportsman and a good artist. Besides. Besides being an outstanding sportsman, comma, Bob is a good artist. This is your right answer. Question 18, another common question. We must endure what we cannot cure. What cannot be cured must be endured. Full stop. 19. I had already finished dinner when she entered. Scarcely, and you always put when with scarcely. Scarcely had I finished dinner when she entered. Scarcely ... when. No sooner ... than. Hardly ... when. Keep these rules in mind. She will not be able to ride a horse again till next summer. Not till next summer. What will be the right answer? Not till next summer will she be able to ride a horse again. Full stop. Not till next summer will she be able to ride a horse again. Dear students, these are 20 questions and 20 answers. Worksheet number 1.